guys, it's Bubba, Backwoods Hillbilly Fishing. Me and old Uncle Buck, we out here at Lake Bisteneu. We're gonna see what we can do. A lot of boats out here, man. A lot of boats out here in this parking lot. Check it out. That's a good sign or is it a bad sign? What do you think, Uncle Buck?
That's probably good for them, bad for us.
Right. But anyway, we just kind of waiting our turn here, and we're gonna launch this boat, go out there and see what we can get into. And remember, guys, we get into something, y'all be the first to know. What you think, Uncle Buck?
Well, I'm ready to tear them up, boy. I got a good feeling.
You got a good feeling, Uncle Buck? All right, guys. Hey, Uncle Buck got a good feeling, so I don't know if it's a good feeling for catching fish or what, but I ain't gonna get in that deep with him. But anyway, remember, we catch something, y'all be the first to know. Out. All right, Uncle Buck out here brown fishing. I done got one. Look at that.
Got me a little bluegill.
Yeah, boy.
Boy, I tell you what.
Look at that.
I was just curious to see what would happen. 5 minutes in, there you go.
There you go.
All right.
Bam.
See if I can get this hook out of him. We'll be back with the next.
Hell yeah. Good job, Uncle Buck.
Boy, he's feisty.
Hey, you want to show him what kind of bait you're using, Buck? Now, he ain't using worms, people.
I never would have thought this stuff would work. First time trying it. They love it. But you notice, well, never mind. It ain't made by the same company, but it's the same color, so that's close enough as a beetle spin. Get you some of this stuff, boy, there.
Well, Uncle Buck seems to like it.
It does the job. I'm going to put some on a beetle spin and see what happens.
Oh, hell. Out.
Bubba got him one.
Yeah.
What you got there, Bubba? Oh, yeah, little old bucket. That'll work.
It'll work.
Yeah. We starting the day off good. 2 fish on.
Hey, look at here. Hey, look. I'm going to catch this son of a bitch because I heard if you catch the first bass, you get good luck.
Hey, I think
Kiss this motherfucker.
I think you're supposed to use tongue.
Go bigger, son.
Yeah, when them backwoods boys go to town for supplies, that's where we're going, right there.
Uncle Buck done got one. What you got there, boss?
Oh, look at that.
Damn.
Little white bass.
Holy shit, that's crazy looking.
Oh, little white bass. That's what that is.
Look at that. Hell, he ain't that little, really. He got some size to it.
Well, he hit that right when it come out of the, right when I was at the boat. I was just about to pull it out the water. He snuck up on me.
Shit, he got some size to him, though.
Oh, yeah, he's all right. He's an all right little guy.
Look at that.
Boy, he's hooked good, too, son.
Yeah.
Right through his tongue. Hell yeah, made him a cool guy.
Shit, let me hold that bitch. Right there, guys. Look at that. Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah,
I like them markings.
I'll even let you do the honors. I'll let you throw them back.
Shit, hey, but you gotta say what you gotta say, Uncle Buck.
Hey, I'm going to tell your brother. And your cousin.
And your mama.
Ah.
Oh, yeah. Hell yeah. That's a nice one right there, Buck.
Finally got me a bass.
That's a nice one, Uncle Buck.
A real bass.
That's a nice one.
Bro.
I tell you.
Look at you. Hang on, let me get this hook out of his mouth. And I'm gonna let you see something.
What's that? What you got there, Uncle Buck?
He ain't got but one fucking gill.
Damn.
He been out here tussling.
Let me see. Yeah, damn, he has. He's a striper.
He's been getting them gangster bass here lately.
Yeah. Guys, as you can tell, it's kind of sprinkling out here on us. I mean, it's just been like this for the last 30 minutes or so, but sometimes that makes the bite, you know. It ain't lightning. Clouds don't look that bad. It's just sprinkling a little bit. But we all right with that, ain't we, Uncle Buck?
Yeah, as long as the fish is biting. I'm down. I may have to cut this hook out of him.
Uncle Buck, y'all know how he is with them fish. Y'all know how he is with getting them hooks out there.
Hey, son, when I catch them, they ain't getting off.
You want me to get that out, Uncle Buck?
Yeah.
There you go. There you go.
Well, look at that, son.
Man, that's a nice one, bro.
You ever seen something like that?
That's crazy.
He's missing half his damn gill.
That's
hey,
crazy.
Bro,
that's wild there, Uncle Buck.
You a soldier and you deserve to live, but tell your brother.
Bam! Boys, we got another.
What you got, Bubba? I got you. He got him something good. Oh yeah, there you go. There you go.
Wow, look at that. That's crazy.
Yeah, that's a good one. That one I caught earlier is a little baby.
Oh boy, that one there, look at that mouth,
dude. Yeah. Extreme close up.
Bam. Pretty cool.
Oh yeah, that's a good one.
Hell yeah.
That colder weather and that little bit of rain making them come alive.
Yeah. Y'all know what I always say. Get a little bigger, son. Well, me and Uncle Buck, we done made it back to the dock. We got rained on. Seems like here lately, man, we've been getting a lot of rained on us.
Yeah. I ain't never got rain and mosquitoes at the same time. That shit's weird, but hey, it's whatever. We caught some fish.
We did.
So it was a good day. But I'll tell you what, got that rain going. Uncle Buck's out here about to win a wet t-shirt contest. I'm just saying.
I know. I was wondering why when boaters were coming by while they were hollering and stuff. Yeah, one boater come by and was like, woo, woo, take it off, baby.
Yeah, hell, I might have made a couple dollars if I had.
That's right. That's right. So, you know, Uncle Buck, yeah, maybe should have ripped it off.
Yeah.
Could have paid for this goddamn boat launch.
Well, that one old boy got a good show when he come around, flying around that corner when I had my wiener out playing a leak. You know how it is, guys. You know, when you're midstream, you can't just pinch it off.
You got that right. Hey, it ain't your fault that he was coming around the corner 50 miles an hour.
No, it ain't. On that note, don't be that asshole that has to haul ass in his boat, and he sees all these other guys on the side trying to fish and just rocking the fuck out of them.
Yeah.
Don't be that asshole.
Yeah, don't be that. Yeah.
Slow down.
Exactly, man. Yeah.
Common courtesy.
Yeah, guys. I mean, you're out there in a boat and you see somebody up there fishing. Dude, are you in that big of a hurry? Me and Uncle Buck, we slow down and we trip by. Hell, we even wave at people and holler at them, don't we?
Yeah.
I mean, boy, some of these guys act like, oh my God, they just, dude, you're not in that big of a hurry. It don't matter. That fish don't give a shit. So don't be that asshole that thinks you gotta go 100 miles an hour. You see people out there on the side fishing. Man, just slow the fuck down. Man, you ain't in that big of a hurry, you fucking asshole. You know, but me and Uncle Buck decided, we notice them boats that do that. And if we see them up there, what we gonna do, Uncle Buck?
We're gonna fucking knock the shit out of their boat with our wake.
We ain't gonna slow down, are we?
No, hey, it was like what they say, eye for an eye, tooth for a tooth, wake for a wake.
That's
bitch.
right, that's right. Trust me, if you fly by me and I notice your boat and I'm leaving and I see you up there fishing, I'll wake the fuck out of you. And hey man, you can follow us to the bank, we'll take it up there, ain't that right, Uncle Buck?
They don't want to tangle with them backwoods hillbilly boys.
Cause we don't give a fuck.
We get dirty. Hell, we'll fucking. There we go. we'll fucking pull hair, kick them into the ball. You know, throw dirt in the eyes. We don't give a fuck.
You're right. You know. So anyway, don't be that asshole. Cause me and Uncle Buck ain't them assholes. We see people fishing, we give them the courtesy, we slow down, we wave at them as we're going by. So you know. Anyway, we appreciate y'all watching. Remember, guys, when you're fishing, always dominate.
Dominate.
Bam. Out, guys. Later.